Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kyra and today is a subscriber request. As you've already seen by the title and probably the thumbnail, I did create 7 looks with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I've had this for almost 2 years, around 2 years now, and it's one of those that sort of has always haunted me from my drawer of eyeshadow palettes below here. And it was because I wanted to use it, but I continued to purchase so many new palettes that I never got to it. So I had mentioned in a video that I would be willing to do some new and creative looks with the Modern Renaissance because I know a lot of people have this palette in their collection. Overwhelmingly, the consensus was that yes, you guys wanted to see 7 looks. I do feel like I created 7 looks that I have not created before with this palette, so I hope you enjoy. There is one look that is for one very special person, a subscriber, who requested that I use the orange shade Realgar right here and then pair it with some cool tones because she's kind of trying to make progress on this palette overall and was really struggling with this bright orange because she prefers cool tones. So I hope that you enjoy that look, Deborah. That one is just for you, and of course the rest of you as well. So let's go ahead and get into the looks. of the road of the 7 looks with the ABH Modern Renaissance. I have no idea how mine is so clean. But I just wanted to touch on a couple of points briefly that I thought during the process of doing a 7 looks with an older palette. First and foremost, if any of you are keeping track, I did not use this pink shade up here called Love Letter. Apart from what's going on in my eyes today, I just don't love pink eyeshadow on me, especially that kind of a tone. And it was just one that I struggled to use. I'm not too hurt about it. If it was a brand new palette, I would have forced myself to use it so I can give my full review on the product. But this is not a review. This is an old palette. The one thing I did notice is I feel like the two shimmers, Vermeer and Primavera, are a little lackluster, and I don't know because it's been so long since I've used it. I don't remember if that was just the formula at the time. I know ABH continues to improve on their formula, you know, through the various palettes that they've created. So, you know, I mean, like, there's a little bit of a sheen. They perform more like satin shades, and I don't remember them being that dull. So there's that. Let me know what you think. Of course, like I said, this palette is getting older. It's, you know, past its shelf life, so to speak. And then the other thing I wanted to point out is that in order to get some new and fresh looks from this palette, I did a lot of layering. I did a lot of putting a color on the lid and then layering one of these shimmer shades over the top. So I just wanted to call that out and let you guys know that that's kind of what I was trying out. I definitely came up, I don't think I've created any of these looks before that I have created within this video. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this subscriber request because I really did. Oh, it's a little grubby on the back. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's any other older palettes in my collection that you know that I have that you'd like to see 7 looks from in the future, just let me know and I will definitely take it into consideration. I'm really glad that I added this into my unofficial project pan. I'm going to enjoy having it up here on my vanity and reaching for it when I'm able to. And with all that said, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me today. I always appreciate each and every one of you that watch my videos. If you did like this video, you could hit that thumbs up button because it really helps me out here on the BewTube. And I hope all of your makeup days are absolutely beautiful Renaissance makeup days. And I will see you in my next video really soon.